What's up everybody, Matt Moran here, and this is the 2018 BMW X2, which isn't a brand new release, but was shown here, 3 different versions actually, at the Detroit Auto Show here for 2018. So, the new X2 looks pretty good in person. It's about 3.2 inches shorter than an X1 and about 2.8 inches lower as well, so a little bit more compact, but does look pretty good here, I have to say. You know, I mean, they're calling this a sport activity coupe, which I think is pretty silly, but for a compact SUV, it's good. I like that little BMW badge on the C-pillar. It's kind of a unique trait to it. So because it's shorter, you'll see the rear seat room, there isn't a lot. Now, the passenger seat is back further than the driver's, but still doesn't look like it's going to be super spacious. But again, we're talking about the baby BMW SUV, so what do you really expect? But the interior does look nice enough. You know, it's pretty basic BMW interior. Nothing that's a huge surprise. Although that shifter, for a second I thought it was a manual transmission because you know, it looks like a long shifter, but these are only automatic. There's an 8-speed Steptronic, or you can get a sports automatic transmission, which has faster shifts supposedly in the M Sport version. Otherwise, you know, basic BMW steering wheel. You know, gauges look a little smaller maybe than some of the other BMWs, but otherwise, you know, the same good stuff you get here. As far as performance goes, it has the 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine in the 28 trim, which is what these are. That's the only one available at launch. And anyway, that does 228 horsepower, 258 pound-feet of torque. And they say it's actually good for a 6.3 second 0 to 60 time, so it won't be much of a slouch either. Standard LED headlamps on all models as well, which is pretty cool because oftentimes the Germans, you know, make you pay for the nicer headlights. Not the case here. I also like you got some like aluminum finishes there on the inside of the headlamp, which is a pretty cool touch, I thought, as well. But anyway, these are going to be available this spring supposedly, so you'll be seeing these things, I'm sure, popping up everywhere in short order. But yeah, so that's the BMW X2. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below, and thank you guys very much for watching.